Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan split pea soup using an easy method. This comforting dish is perfect for any time of year and requires just a few simple ingredients. We will start by gathering 1 pound of green split peas, along with fresh carrots, celery, and onion. You will also need 8 cups of vegetable broth, plus some common herbs and spices to build a rich flavor profile. Let's get cooking. Now let's begin the cooking process. First, gently sauté your finely chopped carrots, celery, and onion in a large pot over medium heat until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the thoroughly rinsed 1 pound of green split peas to the pot, along with 8 cups of flavorful vegetable broth. Stir in a couple of bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a pinch of black pepper. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat. Once your soup reaches a gentle simmer, cover the pot and let it cook for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. During this time, the green split peas will slowly break down, naturally thickening the soup to a wonderfully creamy consistency. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. You want the peas to be very tender. If you prefer a thinner soup, simply add a little more vegetable broth until it reaches your ideal texture. Patience is key here. Before serving, remember to carefully remove the bay leaves from the pot. Now is the perfect time to taste your delicious creation and adjust the seasonings. Add a bit more salt or freshly ground black pepper if needed to suit your preference. For a beautiful presentation and an extra touch of freshness, garnish each bowl with some chopped fresh parsley or a swirl of your favorite plant-based cream. Serve your warm, comforting vegan split pea soup immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.